Hello friends, so today I'm going to demonstrate that how you can filter out your Google search. Now many times when you try to search something on the Google, for example, if I search latest news, I'll get the latest news. Now let's suppose if you want to exclude result from certain website, how do you do that? Sometimes too many results come from the same site. So what you should do is that you have to just use a minus sign. If I use minus CNN, all the CNN news will be excluded from this search. So if I do this one, if you see, everything from CNN is excluded. If I want to exclude CNBC as well, this is just an example, it will exclude the CNBC as well. So you can use CNN or CNBC as well. And let's suppose if you want, on the contrary, if you must want CNN, you can also say I want I want from CNN. So everything from CNN will come here. If you see here, all the CNN breaking news, it will make sure that all the result which have CNN comes here. So if you want to include, use the quotes. If you want to exclude, use minus CNN. So minus CNN means excluding, and if you must want the CNN in the search result, you have to use this one. So by this, you can always filter out the result and go to a particular site which you are really interested in. Thank you for watching.